Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily change the template for your site in Site123. So let's just start here. First, what you want to do is just click here on home page and you're gonna see here templates. Now you're gonna have like ready templates and you're gonna see like all templates that you can use. Yes. And you can just easily change everything here. And you're gonna see everything different. So this is pretty cool to do. And a lot of them are really cool, so yeah, if you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some feedback and guidance. And have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.